Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English shadowing channel. Today, I would like to share a personal experience about a time when I had to make an important decision in my life. A decision that did not only affect my work, but also change the way I see myself and my future. In life, we make decisions every day, but most of them are small and do not require much thought. However, there are certain moments when we face a decision that feels heavy, because we know that once we choose, there is no easy way back. The decision I am going to talk about happened a few years ago, during a period when I felt uncertain about my direction in life. At that time, I was standing between two options, and both of them had strong reasons to be chosen. One option was safe and familiar. It allowed me to stay in a situation that I already understood well, where I felt comfortable and protected from major risks. Choosing this path meant stability, predictability, and less pressure. The other option, however, was completely different. It required change, courage, and the willingness to step into the unknown. This option pushed me out of my comfort zone and forced me to face new challenges, new responsibilities, and new expectations. What made this decision difficult was not the lack of choices, but the fear of making the wrong one. I was afraid that if I chose incorrectly, I would waste time, lose opportunities, or disappoint people who trusted me. During that period, my mind was constantly busy. I kept thinking about possible outcomes, imagining different future scenarios, and asking myself whether I was strong enough to handle failure if things did not go as planned. To gain clarity, I decided to slow down and reflect instead of rushing into a decision. I started by carefully analyzing both options, not only in terms of benefits, but also in terms of long-term impact on my personal growth and happiness. I also talked openly with people I trusted, such as my family and close friends, because their perspectives helped me see things from different angles. Although their advice was valuable, I understood that they could not make the decision for me. At some point, I realized that no matter how much I analyzed the situation, there would always be uncertainty. There was no perfect option, only different paths with different risks and rewards. Eventually, I chose the option that scared me the most, but also excited me the most. I chose growth over comfort, even though I was not fully confident at the time. The beginning was not easy. I faced many challenges, made mistakes, and sometimes questioned my own abilities. There were days when I felt overwhelmed and doubted whether I had made the right choice. However, as time passed, I started to notice changes in myself. I became more independent, more confident, and more capable of handling pressure. I learned skills that I would never have learned if I had chosen the safer path. This experience taught me that confidence does not come before action, but is built through action. By facing difficulties directly, I slowly developed resilience and self-trust. Looking back now, I do not measure the success of that decision only by results or achievements. Instead, I measure it by how much I have grown as a person and how much I have learned about myself. Even if the outcome had been different, I believe the experience itself was valuable. It helped me understand that making difficult decisions is an essential part of personal development. Since then, my attitude towards important decisions has changed significantly. I still take time to think carefully, but I no longer let fear control my choices. I understand that mistakes are not failures, but lessons. This decision shaped the way I approach challenges today. It reminded me that life is not about avoiding difficulties, but about learning how to face them with courage and responsibility. In conclusion, this was a time when I had to make an important decision that truly influenced my life. Although it was stressful and uncertain, it became one of the most meaningful experiences I have ever had. Thank you very much for practicing English shadowing with me today. Please listen again, repeat the sentences, and pay attention to how ideas are connected naturally. With regular practice, your English will become more fluent and more confident. I hope you enjoyed this deeper and more reflective story. See you in the next video.